Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to discuss about resetting your password on Wordtune. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wordtune.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Wordtune official website. Now you will see the login button at the top right corner which you can click on in order to proceed to the login page. Now if you are worried that you opened up your account a long time ago and that you might not remember what password you set, then when you tap on the continue with email option, you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used while signing up and click on continue. And now you will be told to check your inbox and click on the temporary login link. If you log into your email address that you just entered, then you will find an email from Wordtune. Within this email, there is a link which says sign in to Wordtune. Just click on this button and now you will be logged into your Wordtune account right away. And this means that even if you have forgotten your password, as long as you have access to your email address, your Facebook, your Apple, or your Google account, you can log into your account without using your password, as the Wordtune application doesn't use a password feature at all. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about resetting your forgotten password on Wordtune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.